In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually revive your deleted chats in ChatGPT. You can see right here. Now, once you're actually on here, what you're going to want to do is you just want to make sure you're logged into your account, of course. Otherwise, this is literally impossible. But once you're on your account, you can see right here, you're going to go to the bottom left-hand corner, click on your name, and then you can go to the settings option right here. Once here, you want to click on this option called data controls down here. And you can see right here, there's this option called archive chats right here. And when you click on manage, you can just view all of the chats that I've actually archive/delete on this page like so. And if you do want to delete them entirely, you can click on the delete. But if you do delete chats like you normally would just by clicking on the three dots and clicking on delete, that means it's permanently gone and it's literally impossible to get back. I've tried multiple ways to do this because I really wanted some chats back. So I recommend archiving all of these chats, and then after 30 days the archive will be basically gone. And so yeah, archive is definitely the move. You should do this instead of deleting chats more often. But you can revive archive chats but not deleted ones, very unfortunately. But I hope this was helpful either way.